It looks unmanaged, it looks dry and absolute shineless, and when you try to style the hair, it forms the hollow comb. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder of Papillon Hair World. Many people know that we had a chain of salons under the banner of Papillon Men's Beauty Parlor for more than 25 years. So I know what the people can do to make their hair bad. At the same time, what one can do to make those damaged hair back again. I had been trained in two topmost institutes in the world related with the hair. One is Morris Masterclass International and another was Toni & Guy. So today I'm going to talk about what is meant by frizzy hair exactly. Over here I will be more playing a role of a hairstylist to give you advice rather than a doctor. So what is meant by frizzy hair? Frizzy hair, always remember, it is a complication of a dry hair when it is not treated properly, or if you go on neglecting the dry hair, making it more and more frizzy. Now let us see what exactly happens when your hair becomes frizzy. When the hair starts becoming drier and drier, the moisture starts disappearing from the hair shaft and hair starts becoming moisture dry. When this happens, the outermost layer, which is called as a cuticle layer, starts getting damaged. Normally the cuticle layer lies one over the other like a scales of the snake, and when you feel it, you feel that it is always smooth and it looks shiny. But the more and more hair starts becoming drier, the more and more cuticle starts getting damaged and it starts standing out. The cuticle layer gets disturbed and they stands out and they start sticking into each other. So what happens? Here the condition called as a frizzy hair comes into the picture, and when you try to style your hair, the outermost layer of the hair, the shaft of the outermost layer of the hair starts getting entangled in between, and what you realize as a result is unmanaged and tangled hair. So whenever there is an excessive dryness of the hair producing the damage to the cuticle layer, you start getting the hair which is also called as a frizzy hair. So what is a characteristic of the frizzy hair? It looks unmanaged, it looks dry and absolute shineless, and when you try to style the hair, it forms the hollow comb. So the hair doesn't stuck or remain at one place, but it looks shabby and it looks unstyled. So remember, whenever you get a frizzy hair, you have to treat the basic reason behind getting hair frizzy, that is, you have to treat the dry and damaged hair. Unless until you treat dry and damaged hair, you will never get rid of a frizzy hair. So I hope you will understand the difference of dry hair causing split ends, and dry hair giving rise to frizzy hair. If you have got any other questions related with the frizzy hair, you can ask us below, and if you want to ask or if you want to see many such answers to many such questions, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.